Hey everybody, Tyler here with Boost Junkie Media, and today we're bringing you another video. And today we've got something very special that we've just received in the mail. And so we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing here. Basically this is going to be what's called a Dragy. Some of you out there may know what it is. And it's basically a timer for your car, performance meter if you will. So what the Dragy is going to do is you are going to be able to put this in your car, and you are going to be able to set it up and put an app on your phone, connect your phone to this device, and then it is going to give you statistics on your times for your car. It's basically going to give you pretty much anything you want. It's going to give you 0 to 60. It's going to give you quarter mile, eighth mile, 1,000 foot. It'll give you ET. It'll give you mile per hour. I think it'll even do like braking, so like 60 to 0, things like that. You can actually set custom ones as well. So if say you wanted to do 60 to 100 and see, you know, if you made a modification to your car and it got better, or got faster, you could do 60 to 100, see how long it takes you, then do the modification, and then do 60 to 100 again, and see if it changes. Of course, only to be used in Mexico. So yeah, that's kind of, this is the box right here. So we're gonna go ahead and see how we open this guy. Looks like that just slides out, like that. And you've got a little, you know, styrofoam there, and there it is. So that's going to pull out. Got your box there. So on the inside of the packaging here, you've got 2 metal strips like that, and you've got your charging cable, and then you have the Dragy itself. And inside the box, you've got a set of instructions. There it is, Dragy. So basically, this is real simple. It just kind of tells you what's in the box, getting started. It shows you to download the app, how to hit connect. It's going to connect to satellites. You'll hit the go button, and then it gives you a little information about the lights and what they mean when they're flashing and stuff. So basically this is magnetic here. So what you'll do is that we'll click on there. So you can take one of these metal panels, you can install it in your car somewhere, just a black metal thing, kind of like what you put in your phone case if you use a magnetic phone holder. So you attach that with some 3M adhesive that's on the bottom. You will sit your Dragy up in the car, set it up on the dash, open your app, hit connect, and then inside the app is where you say go, and then when you take off, it'll give you timing stats. The cable is just a kind of a standard micro USB, and I can go through the app and show you all how the app works. But yeah, this a few people are starting to use these around. They seem to be fairly accurate. A buddy of mine, Josh, from the Underground Garage, is a YouTube channel. If you want to go check that out, he is doing an awesome Fox Body Turbo 5.3 LS Fox Body build right now, and the car is absolutely phenomenal. And he has one of these. We tested it out this weekend, and it worked really awesome. I am going to be doing a track visit this coming weekend, and I'm going to take this along. And I'm going to run this at the same time as getting a slip, and we're going to compare the slip to the Dragy and just see how close. I've read, or I think someone told me it's 2-digit accurate. So if you run a 1225 on a slip, this should mimic that and give you like a 1225 in the app. So if that is in fact the case, that is amazing. And that is a wonderful tool to have when you don't have super easy access to a track at any time, and when you also live in Mexico, because that's the only time we're using this is if we live in Mexico, of course. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and we're gonna pull up the app, and I'll show you guys how the app works and everything, and then we're gonna do some real world testing of this coming up before too long, and we're definitely gonna test it at the track this weekend. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some testing of this at the track. We'll probably test it in Mexico one evening this week as well, in one of the cars, either my car or the wife's car. We'll just go out and do some test hits in it, and we'll see how it goes. So with that being said, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up. More content to come. There's going to be plenty more once we start more into the new car build. You've seen the intro, so there's definitely more to come with Mystique, the 2020 GT. So stick around, and I hope you'll stay with us, and we'll see you later. All right, so here we are, and here is my phone. So we are going to swipe over. Here is the Dragy app. So we are going to launch this app here. And first thing you're going to see is this screen right here, and you're going to have a connect button. So you're going to hit connect, and it's going to connect to your Dragy, and there you go. I am connected. And it's going to do this little thing where it's going to like sync with some satellites and things like that. And remember, your Dragy would be up in your dashboard on your car at this point. Right now, I don't have it in the car. But here is your performance meter, basically. And if you hit this reset button that's here in the middle, that'll reset anything. If you hit up in the top left corner here, if you hit the little picture of the, looks like a video camera, that's what takes you into your video recording. And this is what's going to let you record with the camera on the phone your pass, and then it'll overlay the performance results on top of it. It'll show you your mile an hour and how many feet you've traveled. In here, you can also see your stats as far as your satellites, your Bluetooth, and your battery, and then you can also disconnect your Dragy. And that was by clicking the three little icons there by the battery signal. Up in the top right corner, it gives you your elevation and your DA. And I'm not exactly sure how it discovers all of those. I'm not sure if it uses weather data, from somewhere local or what exactly, but it does give you that. And I'm not sure how accurate that is. I can check that later. If you click the little blue thing in the middle, it's going to give you a report, both history and leaderboard. If you click the little plus, these are your performance modes. So you can see here, it's going to check 0 to 30, 0 to 60, 60 to 30, 0 to 130, 60 to 100, eighth mile NHRA, quarter mile NHRA, and I have unchecked half mile. And then if you go over to custom, I've created a custom one for 30 to 80 miles per hour. And then in here, you've got leaderboard. So I've selected United States. So this is going to show the leaders. You can pick different regions. You can pick different types of cars. Look at the times. You've also got a feed. So as people are posting their times and stuff, you could scroll through here and look at them. They post their videos. They'll post pictures. All kinds of fun stuff in here that you can look at. And then your account here is your videos will be listed in here under videos. Notifications, your history, if you've got any passes, your garage, you can add your vehicle, and then you've got some of your units, your settings, an FAQ, and some favorite posts, I guess. So that's just a little tutorial, nothing crazy advanced or anything. Basically, you just go to the Go tab, reset everything once you're stopped, and then you just go. And once you start moving, it will kind of track everything and show you all of your results. So as I said, we'll do a video a little bit later where we're actually showing the Dragy in use. I don't have that ability right now, but we will do that later this week or over the weekend when I take it to the track. So that's that, and there's really nothing else to talk about on that.